The Sirui anamorphic family has a new member, the 75mm f1.8. This lens is supposed to be used only on an APS-C sensor. When you use it on a full frame, you get some strong vignetting, but you also get more data. This is shot in crop mode on an A7 III. And this is shot on full frame mode with a simple 1.2 zoom. The minimum distance to focus on this lens is 120 cm. It's pretty great for shooting small details with a lot of bokeh, even without a diopter. This is maybe one of the sharpest lenses of the series. For me, only the 35mm is capable of being this sharp and getting some beautiful subject separation at the same time. Flares are more subtle than on the 50mm version. But still very present when directing the light into the lens. Because it's a 75mm lens, the subject separation is better than on any other lenses of the series. and the bokeh the lens creates is pretty amazing. This lens is a new step on the affordable anamorphic revolution, and is one of my favorite of the series.